Things continue to move along at a great pace here in the church because we've got about now a month to get ready and finish off all this stage of the work before the organ builders come in early June with the pipes and start the installation. So we're moving and getting ready for that. So the last thing that's happening here, the major job, is this steel fabrication, and this side of the church is finished. You'll see the organ is going to come out and sit on these new steel rafters. So it's going to be quite a strong physical presence here at the front of the church, and there's a design emerging for the whole of the sanctuary and what it's going to look like when it's completed. There was a wonderful concert here on Sunday night. Walter Dumel did a magnificent presentation, and I'm delighted that it raised over $30,000 as we kicked off the final stage of our fundraising campaign, the Pulling Out All the Stops campaign. And we've raised about 93% of what's left. So we're down to the last 7% that needs to be raised to complete this wonderful project. So there's a real sense here that this project is moving along on budget, on time, and gathering momentum. When we get to that stage in a month's time when the pipes arrive, then it will really feel as if it's becoming a reality.